how to make and create Instagram business reels videos on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple and easy. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top here and click on create a design. Now search for Instagram and go all the way down and click on Instagram Reels. After you click on the Reels, now go to the search again and search for business. Click enter and choose one of these templates. For example, let's choose one of these. I'm gonna choose this one. As you can see, you can change the text and everything. This one, it looks not for business, but there is many options here as you can see. For example, I'm gonna choose one of these. This one, it looks more professional as you can see, and it's a video also. After you finish, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.